Hello everybody, we're glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today we would like to demonstrate that you can test Zoom video. So that's a very simple thing to do. The easiest way to do that is by creating a new meeting where you will be the only participant. Make sure that the Zoom has the camera access granted that you did it previously. If not, do that in the settings, which is phone specific action. So if you are not sure how to grant permissions or restrict permissions respectively on your particular device, just Google that. So from here, once you have clicked on a new meeting icon over here at the meetings tab, just start the meeting. Once the meeting has been successfully started, enable the video, and now you can test out how well both cameras work and how good is video quality and whatever is that you wanted to discover. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.